Right. Hi everyone. So from today onwards, I am going to explain introduction to C language classes. So before going to discussion about introduction to C language, first of all, we have to know what is a language and what is computer language. First, we have to learn what is language. And after learning what is language, we have to know what is computer language. So first of all, what is language? What is language? Language means two peoples are communicated each other. Suppose there are two peoples are there. They want to communicate with each other by using any of the human languages, human talking languages. Like they can know Telugu, they have to communicate with by using Telugu or Hindi or English or any of the languages. So the human beings are communicated with each other, we can call by using a language. But what is computer language? We have to know. That means what is computer language means we have to communicate with the computer. We have to communicate with the computer by using a language. We have to communicate with the computer by using a language. So this can be possible, but the computer can understand only one language. The computer can understand only one language. So whatever we want to communicate with the computer, we have to discuss with that language only. What is that language? So the first, what is that language is machine level language. Machine level language. So why computer is understanding only machine level language? Because computer is an electronic device. It is an electronic device. So it can understand only on and off. It can understand every electronic device. Suppose switch is there. It contains only two operations, on and off. Fan is an electronic device. It contains only two operations, on and off. So every electronic device contains two operations, on and off. So computer is also an electronic device. Computer is also an electronic device. So it contains only two bits, two operations. That means two bits. So we can communicate with the computer by using a language, that is machine level language. It understands only two bits. What are the two bits? 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So computer can understand. Suppose you want to communicate with the computer by using hi. Suppose you want to say computer to hi. So hi means that is an English language. Computer can't understand HAI hi, but it does not understand what is H, what is A, what is I. But if you write 0, computer can understand that is 0. So whatever you want to communicate with the computer, you have to convert into zeros and ones. Convert into zeros and ones. So for every alphabetical characters, for numerical characters, we have to take by using zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. So that's why what is 0 and 1 we can call. This is 0 and 1 means we can call that is binary level language. Binary level language. That means it had only two bits, 0 and 1. So that is binary level language. Suppose how to write 2 plus 3 in a computer. How to write 2 plus 3 in a computer. Two plus 3. So we need to convert 2 into zeros and ones, and 3 into zeros and ones. So how to write 2? How to write it 2 into zeros and ones? So by using, that means in binary language, 2 we can write 0, 0, 1, 0. So this is called as 2 in binary language. 2 in binary language. 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. So how to write the binary language for 2 and 3 is, so simply we have to take the first character is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So same here, like 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So whenever there is 1, suppose in 2 power 3 there is no 1, so simply we have to write 0. In 2 power 2, there is no 1, we have to write 0. In 2 power 1, 1 is there, so we have to write 2 power 1 value. 2 power 1 value is 2, 1 is 2. 2 power 0 means there is no value 0. So this is 2. In binary language, we have to convert the numerical numbers into binary level language. Same like 3. 2 power 3, 0, so 0. 2 power 2, 0, so 0. 2 power 1, 1 is there, so 2, what is the value of 2 power 1? We have to write. So if 1 is there, what is the value of 2 power 0? We have to write. That is 2 power 0 is 1. So this is 3. Right. So now, how to write plus? So that is not possible. So how to write plus? We doesn't know how to write. So for this problem, next languages are developed after machine level languages. Next languages are developed. Those languages we can call symbolic languages. Symbolic languages or assembly languages. So now we have to discuss about assembly level languages. Assembly level languages. To overcome the problem of machine level language, we have to use assembly level language. So some of the features only are possible in assembly level languages. So what it should be done in assembly level language? So here some mnemonics are developed. Mnemonics are developed in assembly level language. Mnemonics, or we can call operational codes. Operational codes. So in place, suppose how to write plus. So we have to use mnemonic is add, minus. So mnemonic is sub. Multiplication, mnemonic is mul. Division, mnemonic is div. So these are the sum of the mnemonics. So now how to write 2 plus 3 in assembly level language we have to discuss. Previously we taken same example 2 plus 3, right? So 2 we know that we have to convert into binary. 3 we know that we have to convert into binary. But how to write add in assembly level language, what we need to do? So C plus 3, 2 plus 3 can be used like this. Can be write, how to write 2 plus 3 in assembly language. So first we need to store the value of, suppose the 2 plus 3 we need to store, or we need to load 2 value. So either we can take in place of 2 plus 3, suppose we have to take, simply we have to write, suppose C is equal to A plus B. Or simply we have to write C is equal to A plus B. We need to store the value of A is 2 and we need to store the value of B is 3. Finally we need to calculate C value. So how to write this one? First load A value. So simply here we have to write load. Completely what are the mnemonics we are used? One is load and another one is add and another one is store. So 3 different mnemonics we used. But computer can't understand the mnemonics also. So for these mnemonics we need to convert into zeros and ones. So the values 2, 3 are also converted into zeros and ones. That is, we know that binary values are there for 2 and 3. But we don't know how to how these mnemonics are translated to zeros and ones. That is one translator we have to use. What is the translator? Assembler. Assembler is a translator, right? So this is about the second generation language. We can call this is assembly level language, at the same time second generation language or symbolic language also. Assembly level language or symbolic language or secondary generation language also. Now the third generation language. What is the third generation language? Third generation language is high level language. High level language. Or we can call 3GL, third generation language. So third generation language. So here third generation language means we need to communicate with the computer by writing a program. So here The program also does not understand to the computer. So here we have to use one translator, compiler. Compiler is used to translate high level language to machine level language. So high level language, suppose HLL, high level language. So by using the compiler convert into machine level language. Converted into machine level language. Whatever we are writing the program, we are writing the program, either C program or Java program or Python program. So we need to use a translator. For C program and Java program, we need to use compiler. So high level language to machine level language we can call. So finally, program by using the compiler translated into binary level language, binary bits. So whatever we are writing the program, that is need to convert into binary bits. So this is about high level language. So what is the main important high level language is C programming. C programming. High level language, first language is C program. So that's all for today. So everyone, please subscribe my YouTube channel and comment, and please bell icon. Please press the bell icon. Then if you are pressing the bell icon, you will get the notifications. Okay. In the next class, we have to discuss about the problem solving techniques. How to solve the problem techniques we have to discuss in the next class. This is my class 1. Please encourage me. So if your encouraging is good, I will give you the more information about the C programming language. Thank you.